Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. In today's video we are continuing the Year 6 SATs Paper 3 Reasoning. This video is part 2. If you haven't already, please check out part 1 before this video. I have linked part 1 in the description box below. For this video you will be needing a pen and a piece of paper. After each question, please pause the video and attempt the question, then press play to see the working out and solution. So let's go. Question 9. This pictogram shows the number of satellites above the Earth in 2016. How many satellites were above the Earth in 2016? Each circle represents 1,000 satellites. And in this diagram we have 2 circles, which means 2,000 satellites. Now we also have a quarter of a circle. That means that we need to divide 1,000 by 4 to work out what a quarter of a circle equals. 4 into 1 is 0, carry the 1 over. 4 into 10 is 2 times, remainder of 2. 4 into 20 is 5 times. 4 into 0 is 0. That means that a quarter of a circle equals 250. And we had 2,000 satellites from before. 2,000 plus 250 gives us 2,250. Question 10. On the grid there are 3 points joined by 2 lines. Laura plots another point on the grid at -1, 2. She joins the points to make a quadrilateral. Complete Laura's quadrilateral on the grid. Use a ruler. Now we're going to find Laura's point. In the brackets, the first number is on the x-axis and the second number is on the y. If you've heard of the saying, along the corridor and up the stairs. So we're going to go along the corridor to -1 and up the stairs to 2. Laura's point is here. Now we're going to connect the lines. This is Laura's quadrilateral. For the second part of the question, then Laura translates the quadrilateral 4 squares to the right. Draw the quadrilateral in its new position on the grid. We're going to count from each point 4 squares to the right. We're going to start from this point. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we need to connect the lines together. This is the translated shape. Question 11. Here are 5 numbers. Write each number on the correct cards. The number 2 has been written on the correct cards for you. We're going to start off by writing the prime numbers up to 10. 2, 3, 5, and 7. Now the factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Factors of 15. 1, 3, 5, and 15. 3. 3 is a prime number, it's a factor of 12, and it's a factor of 15. 4 is a factor of 12, it isn't a factor of 15, and it isn't a prime number. 5 is a prime number, and it is also a factor of 15. 6 is a factor of 12. Your answer should look like this. Question 12. Amina's bed is 190 centimeters in length and 91 centimeters in width. She is making a 1/10 scale model of the bed. What are the length and width of Amina's model? She's making a 1/10 scale. That means that we need to divide our length and width by 10. We're going to start off with the length, 190 centimeters. We're going to move the decimal place one place, 1, because we're dividing by 10. Our decimal place would be here. That means our length would be 19 centimeters. Now for the width, 91. We're dividing by 10, so we're going to move it by 1 decimal place, 1. Our decimal place would be here, so our answer for the width would be 9.1. Question 13. Kirsty says, when you double the size of an acute angle, you will always get an obtuse angle. Explain why Kirsty is not correct. If we think of any number that can be an acute angle, for example 10, if we double it, we would get 20, and 20 degrees isn't an obtuse angle, because we know that an obtuse angle is bigger than 90 degrees. Now we've got to explain this. If the acute angle is less than 45 degrees, then doubling it will be less than 90 degrees, so it won't be obtuse. Question 14. How many days are there in September, October and November altogether? Now, you should know the rhyme for this. 30 days has September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31 except for February, which has 28 days in a normal year and 29 days in a leap year. Now, when we sang that, we said that there were 30 days in September, April, June and November. That means that October has 31. Now, we're going to add it all together. 30 plus 31 plus 30. 0 plus 1 is 1, plus 0 is 1. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 is 9. There are 91 days altogether. Question 15. The International Space Station orbits the Earth at a height of 250 miles. What is the height of the International Space Station in kilometers? Use 8 kilometers equals 5 miles. If we write that out, 8 equals 5. This is our kilometers column, and this is our miles column. Now we have 250 miles and we're going to convert it into kilometers. We've first got to work out what we've times 5 by to get 250, and then we're going to do the same onto this side. 250 divided by 5. 5 into 2 goes 0 times. Carry the 2 over. 5 into 25 goes 5 times. 5 into 0 is 0. That means that we've times this side by 50. Now we're going to do the same to this side. 50 times 8. 0 times 8 is 0. 8 times 5 is 40. Our answer here would be 400. So The height of the International Space Station in kilometres is 400 kilometres. Question 16. Jack buys 1.5 kilograms of potatoes and half a kilogram of carrots. How much change does he get from £5? We're going to start by working out 1.5 kilogram of potatoes. 1 kilogram costs £1.50. To work out half a kilogram, we need to divide it by 2. £1.50 divided by 2. 2 into 1 goes 0 times. Put in our decimal place, carry over the 1. 2 into 15 goes 7 times, with a remainder of 1. 2 into 10 goes 5 times. That means that half a kilogram equals 75p. Now to get 1.5 kilograms, we need to add £1.50 and 75p together. £1.50 plus 75p. 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. 1 plus 0 is 1. Plus another 1 is 2. £2.25. Now we need to work out what half a kilogram of carrots equal. £1.80 divided by 2. 2 into 1 is 0 times, carry over the 1, put in our decimal place. 2 into 18 goes 9 times, 2 into 0 is 0. Half a kilogram of carrots equals 90 pence. We're going to add £2.25 and 90p together. 2.25 plus 0.90. 5 plus 0 is 5. 9 plus 2 is 11. 2 plus 0 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Jack's total is £3.15. Now we need to work out how much change he gets from £5. 5.00 minus 3.15. 0 minus 5, we can't do that. So we're going to go over to the 5, take away 1, making it a 4, carry over the 1. 10 minus 1 is 9, carry over the 1. 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 1 is 8, 4 minus 3 is 1. Our answer is £1.85. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped you. Please like, share and subscribe for part 3. Please also comment down below on what videos I should do next. See you next time. Bye!